Now, uh, children, I'm not solving the question number 4 first, okay, of this miscellaneous exercise. So you will get the question number 4 at the end of the video because it was very lengthy question. So that's why I will solve it. You will get this question and at the end of the video, okay. So I'm solving question number 5 first part. So this is a very simple question. Here this is given to you and you have to convert into polar form. First of all, what you have to do, you have to convert this into standard form. So we are assuming that is z. Okay, so your z would be equals to 1 plus 7 iota over, open this will be a square plus iota square b square minus 2ab, 2 into iota, and you will get 1 plus 7 iota over this 4 minus 1 minus 4 iota, and of this and you will get this one 3 minus 4 iota. Okay, now just you have to rationalize this. You will 1 plus 7 iota 3 minus 4 iota into 3 plus 4 iota and 3 plus 4 iota. Just what I am doing, I am just rationalizing this. Got it? Now you can multiply these two. 3 plus 4 iota 21 iota plus iota square over 3 square minus 4 iota square, that is equals to 3 plus this 4 iota and 21 iota, that would give you 25 iota, and that will be minus 28 over 9 minus 16 iota square, and you will get minus 25 plus 25 iota, because 3 minus 28 you will get minus 25 over this would be 9 plus 16, and children, you will get minus 25 plus 25 iota over 25. 25 you have to take common from the numerator, and you will get this one. So now this is your simplified form. Okay, and now I know you can solve this question. Now after this you have to do, I'm not solving, okay, I'm much sure about it. Now you can solve this question, and similarly second part of this question you can solve. Okay, after this question, the next are the quadratic equations of a complex, which will be in question number 6 you can solve, question number 7 you can solve, question number 8, this is your homework, 9 is also your homework. Okay, so question number 10 I'm going to solve. Okay, now here is a question number 10. It's a very easy question. Okay, so here you have to find out the modulus of this value z1 plus z2. So first of all I'm going to solve z1 z2 plus 1 over z1 minus z2 plus 1. z1 क्या है हमारा, that is 2 minus iota, and z2 is 1 plus iota, and then last plus 1 over our z1 is 2 minus iota minus z2 is 1 plus iota. So when we put here, minus is coming outside, so it will be 1 minus iota. Okay, when we put the value of z2 is 1 plus iota, so at the place of this 1 plus iota would be 1 minus iota. Okay, because minus is outside. Then plus 1, or this iota and iota will cancel out, fine, and you will get 2 plus 1 plus 1, that would be 4. And similarly this 1 and 1 will cancel out, and here you will get 2 minus 2 iota, and simplify, you will get 2 1 minus iota. 2 you can take common from the denominator and you can cancel with 4, and you will get 2 over 1 minus iota. In the next step, what you have to do, you have to just rationalize it. So when you will solve, you will get 1 plus iota over 1 square minus iota square. So in denominator you will get 2, because iota square is minus 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. And this 2 and 2 you can cancel out. And this value is equals to 1 plus iota is coming. So we have to find out the modulus of this value. We have to find the modulus of this. So just you have to find out the modulus of this value. So modulus, as you know, that you can find out with under root 1 square plus coefficient of iota, that is 1. So you will get 1 plus 1, that would be under root 2. Okay. So this is how you can solve question number 10. Okay. Now see children, this is another very important question. Okay. So here this is given to us and we have to prove that this. It is same as question number 4. So I am solving question number 10 first, then I will solve question number 4. So here in solution, I am copying this one, this step, a plus iota b, that is equals to x plus iota whole square over 2x square plus 1. So the numerator part, you here in the numerator part you have to apply the formula a plus b whole square. So you will get x square plus iota square plus 2 into x into iota over 2x square plus 1. Okay. Now a plus iota b is equals to, here you will get x square, this iota square will be minus 1, so x square minus 1 over 2x square plus 1 plus iota 2x over 2x square plus 1. So this is the required standard form. Okay. So in the first step, what you have to do, you have to convert the question into the standard form. So I have converted this into the standard form. Okay. So this is your equation number 1. You got it? This step, x square, this will come minus 1, and I'm shifting this denominator in the numerator of this and in this one. Okay. So now taking conjugate both side, we get, this is a plus iota b, this would be a minus iota b is equals to x square minus 1 to x square plus 1, and this is plus sign, here you have to write negative iota 2x upon 2x square plus 1. So this is your equation number 2. Okay. Now multiply equation number 1 and 2. I'm not writing the this properly, so लिख देता हूँ. Okay, multiplying equation number 1 and 2, we get समझ में आ रहा है ना? If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay. So now see, if you multiply these two, this would be a plus iota b into a minus iota b. That would be equals to x square minus 1 to x square plus 1. See, when you will multiply these two, now these two steps are coming same. So this minus this one. So I can write this whole square. This is your a square minus iota 2x over 2x square plus 1, this whole square. This is a square minus b square, you can apply. Okay. So after this step, what you have to do? So this can be written as a square minus iota square b square, that is equals to x square minus 1 whole square plus 4x square, this over 2x square plus 1 whole square you will get. So this can be written as a square, this iota square will be minus 1, so it will make a square plus b square, and here x square minus 1 whole square over 2x square plus 1 whole square plus just wait, this whole plus 4x square we can write. Fine. Yes. Now just open the bracket. Here you will get x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square. Here you have to apply the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and rest of the thing will remain the same. Fine. And after solving this, you will get this step. This whole square. So hence proved. So this is how you can solve this question. Okay, you have to convert this into this, because when you open this you will get the same thing. So this is how you can solve this question. Okay, note it down. Hello children, today we are going to solve miscellaneous exercise question number 4. Okay, so this is the one of the most important question of your NCERT. Okay, so mark it very important. So in this question, x plus iota y, this is given to us, a minus iota b, c minus iota d within under root, and we have to prove that this is equals to this. Okay, so here what you have to do, I'm just copying this question, x minus iota y, that is equals to a minus iota b, c minus iota d. Okay, now what you have to do here, you have to write squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides, and you will get, this would be x minus iota y whole square. Okay, and this would be a minus iota b over c minus iota d. Fine. Solve this. A square plus iota square y square minus 2xy iota, that is equals to a minus iota b, c minus iota d. Fine. So simplify it. Here you will get x square minus y square minus 2xy iota, that is equals to a minus iota b, c minus iota d. Here I am just rationalizing it. This will be c plus iota d and c plus iota d. Okay, you have to rationalize this side. That is equals to, multiply AC plus AD iota minus BC iota minus iota square BD over, this is A minus B, A plus B, A square minus iota D square, and here you have to write x square minus y square minus 2xy iota. So this is your real term and this is your imaginary term. Okay, so here also you have to write the complex number in standard form, that is in real and imaginary terms separately. Okay, so when you will solve this, here you will get -1, so this will be plus, so I can write AC plus BD, and similarly here plus iota, you have to take common from these two terms and you will get AD minus BC within bracket this over, when you will solve the denominator you will write C square plus D square. Similarly in the denominator of this you have to write the same term, that is C square plus D square. This is C square plus D square, C square plus D square. Okay, in the same term you have to copy here. Okay, now now this is your equation number 1. You have to mark this is our equation number 1. Okay, now in the next step you have to take the conjugate. See how can you take this, how can you take the conjugate? Just you have to change the sign of real and imaginary numbers. So what I will do, I will write x square minus y square plus 2xy iota is equals to, only this sign I will change. Okay, so I'm doing this on the next page. So this is your equation number 1, mark it. So here you have to write taking conjugate, just wait, give me a second. Taking conjugate, and we get this would be x square minus y square plus 2xy iota is equals to AC plus BD upon C square plus D square minus iota, I am changing this sign, minus AD minus BC over C square plus D square. So this is your equation number 2. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to write multiplying equation number 1 and 2, we get, so what you will write, x square minus y square minus 2xy iota, this is your first equation, into this one, x square minus y square plus 2xy iota, okay, equals to, when you will multiply the this term, okay, with this term, so this is your a plus b and a minus b, fine. So you will write this whole is your a, so you will write this whole square, a square minus and this second term is your b square. So you will write iota square AD minus BC over C square plus D square whole square. Okay. Now in the next step, as you can see, when you multiply these two, you will get x square minus y square whole square minus 2xy iota whole square equals to, simplify this, a square c square b square d square plus a square d square minus b square c square and just wait 2ab we are not writing, no. See, when you will open this, you are applying a square b square plus 2ab. Side by side I am writing this also. ab, this is 2ab. Then when you will open this iota square will make this positive plus a square d square plus b square c square minus 2adbc minus 2ab, this whole over c square plus d square. Okay. So solve this. This is your x to the power 4. When you will open this, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square, and this would be plus 4x square and y square when you will open this. Because this iota square will come, iota square will make it positive, and the square of this would be this one. Okay. Equals to, here this 2ab, this and this term will cancel out. Okay. And here these four terms you have to write a square c square a square d square b square d square plus b square c square over c square plus d square, and in denominator you will get whole square. It was missing, so I am writing this here. Okay. So it is a very lengthy question. X square y to the power 4 and plus 2 x square y square. This one you can solve like this. This is minus, this is plus. That is equals to, here you will take common. A square would be common and you will get c square plus d square. This is square. Similarly, b square will be common here and you will get c square plus d square also. This over c square plus d square whole square. And this can be done as x square plus y square whole square and c square plus d square a square plus b square over c square plus d square whole square. This term and this term will cancel out and you will get a square plus b square over c square plus d square. So this is what you have to prove. Okay. So it is a little bit lengthy. Okay. And each step you have to follow it. Fine. So note it down and try to solve at least 2-3 times. This is again I'm saying this is one of the most important question.